Hey guys, hello. Hello to everyone searching for the word Forex on YouTube, as well as trading and everything else related to investments and the financial market. You are in the right place, and this is my first video on my YouTube channel. I thought for a long time about whether I need it or not. I decided that I do need it. My experience in Forex trading is over 20 years. I started in 2003, so I have been trading on Forex for over 20 years. I have some successes, and I also have some knowledge that I want to share with you. And on my YouTube channel, I announced that I will be trading live, online, showing how it is done for those who do not know how to do it, or know how, but are not always profitable, or know how but constantly lose. On my channel, I hope you will find trading strategies that will help you trade, earn, but not lose. This is the first point. Secondly, I would like to introduce a section reviewing trading bots that are sold on the internet, including on the well-known MQL portal. And to provide my honest reviews, unbiased reviews, I would simply like to give an assessment based on my personal experience. And believe me, my assessment will be as objective as possible. Is it worth buying this bot or not? Of course, I'm not a super guru, but after my 20 years of experience in Forex trading, I have definitely learned to distinguish where the scams are and where more or less normal trading is. I mean automated trading. I won't confuse you any further. The video will continue. This is a video of my online trading. I will be trading on the MetaTrader 5 platform using my trading system, Pumping Station. You can find the link to this system below this video. And in the video, I will show how I trade online in the Forex market with real money. I funded my account today. This is a small deposit, relatively small. It's almost $2,500. I think it's $2,300, $2,310. I mean $2,310. And I will show how I trade. I open and close trades, receive signals, and explain how this strategy works. So, if you don't know how to make money in the Forex market, just copy what I do. I don't mean to copy trades. Just take my indicators, my tools, and earn. It's very simple. And in my videos, I will simply show you so that you can confirm for yourself that this is possible for you. Alright, I won't say more. Closer to the point, here is my trading terminal. This is the MT5 platform, broker, IC trading, hedge account type. This is an account for scalping. You see it says raw trading. We have a super tight spread. And now I will show you the account with 2312 and in the history. We have a deposit. The only operation was the deposit on November 14th. And as you can clearly see, it is indeed November 14th, meaning I just funded the account today, or rather just now. And now I want to make my first trades, and I want to demonstrate my trading right away, as I did them, actually, right now. In fact, at this very moment, I am currently preparing to execute my trades. So, I want to go through all the assets where there were recent signals, but they have not yet been realized, meaning they have not closed. Closing a signal is when it touches its red level. So, the asset is the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. I have a buy signal that has not yet closed. I am making a trade. Here it is. Next, we go to the Australian dollar against the USD, also a buy signal, making a trade. The Australian dollar against the Singapore dollar has no trades, also none. The euro against the New Zealand dollar had a signal, and it has already closed. Let's move on. So, this is the euro. Against the dollar, signal that hasn't closed, making a trade. And it seems I'm also making a trade against the Canadian dollar. The pound against the New Zealand dollar is a sell. We have a signal for it. There's also a buy signal against the SD. I closed the trade for the pound against the franc, and the pound against the Australian dollar has a signal that is not closed, not realized. This is a sell signal, so we are making a sell. Now for the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar, there is a buy signal, so we are making a trade. The New Zealand dollar against USD has a buy signal, so we are making a trade. The market is very volatile right now. The US presidential elections have just passed, and assets against the US dollar are trending. So, there may be some drawdowns now, but I know everything will be fine because I believe in my system. I think we will see the first profit from the trading operation very soon. By the way, there's another trade. Euro, that is, USD against the Singapore dollar, which is a sell signal that hasn't been realized yet and is in a drawdown. Yes, we received the signal and the price went the wrong way. But as you can see, this happens often. Then everything turns around. Sometimes the reversal happens almost immediately. Well, you see, here the reversal wasn't immediate, but here it was almost right away, but with a pullback. In this way, we can now make a sell trade. It just appeared. I'm showing you all the trading operations that have been done. And just now, these are all the signals that I made at once. About 10 trades with a lot size of 0.05. Small lot size because of a small deposit size. This lot corresponds approximately to the deposit I have. I will trade without averaging. This means drawdowns can only occur in cases where the price goes in the opposite direction, but the drawdown will be due to a single trade. Plus, there will be many currency pairs, as you can see. Some will immediately go in the direction of the reversal, while others may still be, let's say, in drawdown. But those that went in the direction of the reversal will partially compensate. That is, this will be a diversified result, and the drawdown will decrease due to the number of open trades. Because some will be correct and will immediately go into profit, while others will go against the open trade. I will try to show all the trades I make based on the signals. The first trades I made were based on signals that are not open, and the next ones will be made based on push notifications, pop-up windows, alerts, that is, as soon as they appear. That is, as soon as a signal appears, a push notification will come, and I will make a trade. That's all for now. Goodbye. Guys, it's been just 2 hours since I made the first trades, all of these that I showed you, and my result is like this now. For most currency pairs, the movement has indeed gone in the direction of the signal, which I, in principle, had no doubt about. When I created this trading system, I wanted the number of profitable signals to always be greater than the number of losing ones. And here I have statistics displayed for each currency pair, and everything above 1 is profitable. Everything above, well, you know how the profit factor is calculated? If you don't know, then if, for example, the value is 2, it means the profit is 2 times greater than the loss. Here it's almost 2, which means the profit is almost twice as much for this currency pair. No matter what I do with this currency pair, even if I were a complete idiot, just executing these trades, I would still be profitable. I don't need to be a super trader because here, my average profit factor is 1.92. The market changes, and then I just need to teach you along the way in my lessons. It's more accurate to say not lessons, but videos of my trading. I will show how I trade, and in each video, I will say something new. So, follow all my videos, and you will learn to trade well. And of course, you need my pumping station indicator with these signals. Inside this indicator, there are 4 different proprietary indicators of mine. They are compiled into one code. You drag this code onto the price chart, and you get something like this. This is a workspace where you receive signals, and there is also a utility on this workspace that accompanies each trade and closes it according to the rules set by the system algorithm embedded in this utility. I will explain this a bit later. For now, I will just show what is happening with each currency pair, starting with the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. We see that there is an increase. Yes, we will close here at take profit at the red level. Australian dollar against the US dollar. It has also gone up to the closing level. There was no signal here. Of course, you can make a buy trade without a signal, but I have found that it is better to trade based on signals. Because what is the point of the indicator if we are going to make trades without a signal? The profitability keeps growing, and unfortunately, the trade size is still small. I specifically made a small deposit to make it more realistic, because not everyone can afford a deposit of $20,000 or $30,000. For example, I could show you that I can also top up my account with $100,000. I have such money as I engage in various activities. Trading is a hobby for me, but this hobby also brings in a significant income. Thanks to trading, I have already earned more than 100 in profit. I mean 100,000. Therefore, I could top up the account with 100,000 for show, because I sell the pumping station indicator. I don't just give it away. But you must understand that if you buy it from me, you can expect to fully recoup its cost in literally a week or two. That is, through trades, you will recover the cost of this indicator, and then you will only work in profit. Euro against the New Zealand dollar. Here I also had no trades. Euro against the pound is not there. Euro against the franc is not there. Euro against the Australian dollar is not there. Euro against the Singapore dollar is not there. Euro against USD. We had a rise after receiving the signal, followed by a certain decline. There are moments when the market goes against us, and there are times when it goes in our favor. You see, in any case, it goes more in our direction. Profit factor 1.44. But this utility, which is currently working and accompanies each trade, has a special algorithm that improves profitability. If we see that there is a profit factor of 1.44, then in fact, with the help of the utility, we are trading with a profit factor that is about twice as high. Accordingly, the real profit factor here will be 3. That is, the profit will be 3 times greater than our losses. The euro against the Canadian dollar has seen a slight decline, but it's a flat trend that could change at any moment and close at a red level. The pound against the Singapore dollar has shown nothing, while the pound against the New Zealand dollar is moving towards closure in a practically sideways channel, with a slight downward slope, which increases our chances of closing this deal. We see that the profit factor here is 1.13. This means that together with the utility, we achieve more than 2 profit factors. And there are 92 signals, meaning active trading with a good profit factor. The pound against the USD is going up. The pound against the Canadian dollar. No trades, pound against franc. No trades, pound against Australian dollar. There is a signal, there is a trade. We are waiting for the close at the red level. Canadian against franc. None. Kiwi against Canadian dollar. It will go up. Kiwi against franc. There is nothing. Kiwi against USD. We are going up at the close. USD against Singapore dollar. We are going down at the close based on the signal. I am showing the history. Nothing has been closed yet. I will keep you updated. I will show all trades where I opened and where I closed to ensure everything is transparent. At the end of each video, which will cover 1-2 trading days, I will compile. It will rarely be 3 trading days. I will do my statement, a clean statement on trading through. I will take the history and show you the report through an HTML demonstration. So you will just see a little later on in this video how it works. I will get back to you when most of these trades are closed. For now, we are just waiting for the close. See you. So guys, regarding the first trading day, I can tell you that almost all trades were closed. Additionally, I opened manually through the phone, but there was no time to record. What I mean is, in the video, there was no time to record additional trades. Now I will show the history. This is the trading history for one day. So, what do we have here? You see, this is all from November 14th. These are all the trading operations. This is the total result. There were no losses. As for the open trades, they are all open today as well. Regarding the timing, you can see that I opened 3 trades closer to the evening, and the morning trades that I showed you, they are still open in profit, but I certainly do not close them manually. The utility does all this automatically. What the hell am I exactly asking? It's absolutely your fault. And why are you indeed being a jerk? Everyone, please, quiet. As you can see, here it is all right on this date of November 14th. In terms of time, look, these 2 trades were opened at 7:40 a.m. and these were opened after lunch at 6 p.m. So I opened these just recently. I opened these 2. These are the 2 trades that were among those that were opened in the morning, as you saw. Here are the morning trades, and they are already in profit, while the evening ones are in the red. Now, let's quickly go through the assets. I believe that the trading result, considering it is the first day of trading with a small deposit and a small lot size, is more than satisfactory. By the way, here are the signals that I had. I mentioned that the indicator provides trading signals, and I trade based on them. Here are the last 3 trading signals. They are pound against Australian dollar, euro against Australian dollar, and euro against New Zealand dollar. Let's take a look. Here they are, pound, euro, and once again, euro. So, okay, let's go through the trades. So, I had a trade here, and it closed at this level. Here I have an open trade almost at the closing level, but unfortunately, not there yet. There were no trades here, none here either. Euro against New Zealand dollar is a new trade that I just opened, signal. There is no euro against pound, no against franc. Euro against Australian dollar is a new signal, a new trade. Euro against USD, there was a trade, we closed it. Euro against Canadian dollar, we closed it. So, we are looking at the pound against the New Zealand dollar, and here's another signal for EuroCAD, a sell signal. Let's see where EuroCAD is. You witnessed how I received push notifications, and a pop-up window appears with signal information. We are looking at EuroCAD, sell signal, here it is. Let's immediately make a trade to sell. Here it is, EuroCAD. So, where did we stop? Basically, on Euro and USD, and here we have a new trade for EuroCAD. The pound against the Singapore dollar has nothing. The pound against the New Zealand dollar has closed, and the one against USD has also been closed. The pound against the Canadian dollar has also been closed by the utility, and the pound against the franc. Here, everything is empty. So, I think we will finish the first video here. I promised you to show the trading operations report every day, every time. HTML. I will generate it now. So you can see how it looks from a technical point of view. Here is this report. This is a real account. You can also see the date of generation, which is November 14th. Here are all the trades that have been closed. Here is the profitability chart that resulted from all these closed trades over the entire existence. That is, for one day. Regarding the trading drawdown, the drawdown is less than 1%, and the profit is about $108. Of course, it's still early to say whether this is good or bad, but overall, the first results are quite remarkable. In general, see you in the next video. Those interested in my trading system can follow the link in the description. You will be able to trade as well, or maybe even better. Well, see you in the next video. Goodbye.